Good morning, everyone. It is 3 a.m. and the girl is up. I have some steak here. I'm gonna try not to cook it all. Oh, I'm gonna try not to cook it all, but I'm in the mood. My neighbor showed me to cook it like 6 minutes on each side, and maybe I won't mess it up like I messed up the last few steaks. So I just turned my stove on, and I'm expecting a customer. So if he comes, I gotta pause my TV. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil, although I don't think he mentioned oil, but something has to go in the pan. And I have to throw in some butter. Ooh! I think y'all know where that butter went, right? I think y'all know where that butter went. So, I'm gonna put garlic, garlic. Let's just put the freaking onion so I can get myself. I'm gonna put a lot of garlic because I love garlic. I'm gonna turn my fire down just a little bit because he said turn it down low. I happen to like paprika, so I'm going to put some paprika in my steak. And a touch of salt. Just a touch, boys and girls. I kind of think I need a little bit more seasoning because I'm that girl. I'm definitely that girl. So I'm gonna scrounge up a little bit more seasoning in here. He said to turn it on low because I had to put my last steak in the garbage. I did eat as much as I could off of it. Woo! That smells good, boys and girls. Woo! I'm just gonna put a little bit more, but this onion is gonna be onion flakes. Oh, I could fit another one in there, boys and girls. Yes, I can. I'm trying to get as much garlic as I can off the bottom. I might as well put my last one in there. I wasn't gonna make all of them, but I'm gonna make all of them because I may end up eating a little bit more than I would like to say I'm gonna eat before I go to bed. Because I may not go to sleep tonight. I was so excited when the freaking phone rang. I'm stuttering because of some nervousness I'm dealing with. So he said, turn it down low and put a top on it, and leave it for like 6 minutes, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. See the bubbles? Starting to cook up nicely, boys and girls. Let me move the camera back so you can see. I'm going to put the top back on, and I would really like that liquid that's in that pot because I have some leftover rice that I would just love to throw in there. So, and it smells great, but I'm going to tell you the truth, boys and girls. I'm going to tell you the truth. I was about to add some more seasoning to it, but you know what I'm going to do? I like my food a certain type of way. Not too salty, but I'm going to taste the liquid in the pot. Okay, that's good. That's good. I could use a touch more salt to even out the onion, but I'm going to give it a few more minutes to let it taste. Let it cook down. I had it on here about 2 minutes already. I had it cooking for 3 minutes. Boom! Okay, let's turn it over. Let's turn it over and see.
That's impossible. Because I'm not sure. I'm dying of thirst. And as part of my civil liberties, I demand an energy beverage. Whatever has the most taurine. Want to get that to go? New Bangkok prison after we get from you. Me and Ethan Hunt, we need to worry about your bread. Because you have no idea what you're dealing with. And not only have I always...
I feel like snipping off a piece so I could taste it. I know you never seen this before. I have never had it before, but I have to have it tonight. I'm just feeling a little bit of taste of this. It's gonna give me what I need. I'm gonna turn my fire off because I believe that my steak is cooked. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna turn it back over. Let some of the juice get up in the back there. I already put in my mind that I'm gonna have this goodness. I'm turning the fire off, and I'm gonna let it sit for like 2 minutes.
Good, Michael. Just focus on the mission. Kind of until this division out.
I don't like thick steak.
Detail, personnel list.
But I'm gonna eat this damn steak.
All official.
Man, it's hurting. My finger is killing me. I sliced my finger a couple of days ago making the cards. Oh, the vinegar is good.
On leave, can I help you with something?
I was just going to review the tactical plans for Operation Castle.
Electronic tablet or sent to your smartphone?
Oh.
It's fine.
Done. Anything else?
Well,
Everything clear up?
it's the key to success, right? Preparation.
Seems good.
You done make this place the keeper?
Almost. Still need to set some redundancies.
It's almost 4 in the morning.
Correcting systems from the cancer.
I ate 6:30 yesterday.
Alex.
And I haven't
There's
slept.
no such thing as an easy mission.
It'll be easy. Considering the inside the source. Some top level clearance. General Anton Zahedal. Head intelligence.
I'm so glad I cooked all the steak.
He'd have the most to gain from the assassination. Looks like Zahadal's been openly critical of the president. With some popular support, he's starting an uprising.
I don't know what time this person is supposed to be here. He said he was on his way. I wonder how far. I'm not worried about it anyway because it's not like I'm going to bed or anything.
You want to get past your phone, go straight to Princess Jasmine, right? Good. But we're going to cover to get to the scene then. Beaming up to mission gets there.
Oh.
Sounds easy enough. So this is us. On the outside. Working together.